Hey, David here from Brilliant Directories. We've just rolled out a pretty significant upgrade to BD Butler, including a new underlying AI model that BD Butler uses and several improvements focused on output quality. You'll notice the biggest difference when using BD Butler to create content like email templates and web pages. The results are much more polished, more premium, more relevant, and much closer to something that you can actually publish right away, minimizing the need for any cleanup edits. BD Butler was already really good before this update, but with this update, you can see the pages are much more modern feeling, more premium feeling. You can include some great 3D graphics and animations. Overall, these pages just feel much more premium and modern and polished. So we're really excited to roll this out. Here was just one final example to create a more modern About Us page. So we told BD Butler, create a new About Us page, make it look and feel modern and premium, and tell the About Us story in an interesting and compelling way. It should be a beautiful landing page with 3D graphics, animated backgrounds, and an attention grabbing hero section. Overall, it should feel premium and provide a great user experience for visitors, include friendly, smiling stock photos so the page feels inviting, and a hero section with a stock photo of someone smiling. And this is what the upgraded BD Butler was able to create. So you can see we have some animated graphics here, some great gradients, some hover animations, some new section layouts as well, which it wasn't able to create before. So just overall, it looks less like AI made it. That was really one of the goals here, and the new underlying AI model that BD Butler now uses really helps to improve that. And of course, if we close out a BD Butler here, you can see these sections in this page is still totally editable within the visual web page editor as well. So we're excited to see what you create with the upgraded BD Butler. Give it a try and feel free to drop a link in the comments to a new web page that you have BD Butler help you build. And if you don't have a Brilliant Directories website yet, start a free trial at brilliantdirectories.com/trial and test BD Butler for yourself on your own membership or directory website. See you next time.